In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tekken 6 PSP multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tekken 6 on the PSP offers ad hoc multiplayer. This basically means that whenever you have two devices close to each other in proximity, and both of you go into the network options, the consoles will be able to connect to each other and set up the match for you. Now, I'm going to teach you how to do this on original PSP hardware, but also how to do it if you are using an emulator, primarily PPSSPP, which is the most popular PSP emulator. So first, if you want to do it with actual consoles, both of you will have to go over to the Network tab, so after you start the game, choose Network, and in here, both of you will be able to see each other. It is simple to do, and all that you need is to go over to the Network tab. So you will see your friend here as long as they are searching for a match as well. And once you send out the invite through this menu, they will be able to accept and both of you will be able to play against each other. Now, if you are using an emulator, then this is going to be a little bit more difficult. You are going to have to go over to the settings of the emulator and change these settings related to networking. So for PPSSPP, which like I said, seems to be the most popular emulator, go over to the networking tab and copy these settings here. So copy these network settings, ad hoc server, UPnP, and this one is going to be the most important one. Enable built-in PRO ad hoc server, and then change the server IP address. We're going to come back to this later, but for now, copy all of these settings here. And now, once you have everything set up, including the port offset, just do the exact same thing as if you are using an official console. So both of you run the emulator on your devices, go in close proximity of each other, and then go back to the ad hoc options. Now in here, change the address. There will be an address here, and it is going to change every time that you run a multiplayer game. So all that you have to do is copy this ad hoc server address, give it to your friend, they will input the address here. So both of you need to use the same address. Once the address is the same for both of you, simply repeat the previous steps. So go over to the networking tab and both of you will see yourselves in the battle lobby. Then invite to a battle and begin. Now, before I end this video, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos and the best solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.